If you'd like to see how I'm going to add some simple but very pretty rhinestone embellishments to these unicorn children's shoes, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today I'm going to be adding some rhinestone embellishments just to like the toe area of these shoes for my daughter. And these are a size 2. I purchased these from Journeys Kids. I believe they were about maybe $44. I know they were less than $50, I believe. And she really loves rainbows and unicorns and pastel colors. So when I saw these, I just literally had to get them for her. Now I think about it, they kind of match my nails a little bit. But I have the same colors that are in the actual shoe. I have the rhinestones, and I have the clear. Not sure if I'm going to use them yet. There's my stones. I'm going to be using some 1 dot, not a lot glue in this little precision tip bottle. And I do have this wax pickup stick. I will have a link available if you'd like to purchase this. And I've already wiped the shoe off on the toe area where I'll be adding the stones. And these are jelly rhinestones. They are 5mm. These are crystal rhinestones, and these are SS16. SS16 and 5mm jelly is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going along the little area of the toe, and I'm just adding the rhinestones in the same order I usually would. And it's kind of like, it gives you the idea of the rainbow. I'm using the same colors as I see on the shoe as requested by my daughter. This is actually pretty simple. What I'm doing to this shoe is just adding very minimal enhancements because the shoe has a lot going on already. It's already super cute. It just needed something on that toe area. I feel like you could do something like this under 30 minutes. Maybe 15 minutes per shoe. It's really that simple. And it's just not doing too much. It's doing like just enough to give it that little sprucing up. So you just want to make sure your rhinestones are nice and close and tight together. And then you just keep going. These would be so cute for your daughter's birthday, first day of school. I mean, or just for everyday purposes. For us, this is just everyday. My daughter loves her shoes to have a little bit of rhinestones on them or a lot of rhinestones. You can also do pearls if you'd like. And I would say I use no more than a total of 500 rhinestones or less for this whole entire project. And this is extremely beginner friendly. This is very simple, so anyone could follow along with something like this. Then I'm just going to take a couple of these clear crystal rhinestones and just go up the back of the shoe just to add a little something there. You can go with pearls or spikes or whatever it is that you decide. And just like that, you guys, these shoes are already finished. Of course, you can go ahead and swap out the original. You can go ahead and add a glittery shoelace if you like to do so, or you can go ahead with some ribbon. I personally, I don't mind the regular shoestrings. I just like them being more durable and able to be tied up well. And throughout the shoe, I don't know if you can tell or not, but I added random rhinestones throughout the clouds where the unicorns are. So this took me no more than 20 minutes. This is super beginner friendly. See, there's those other just random rhinestones on there. These shoes are so cute. And you can also add some on the sides, on the little black strips. There's so much that you can do with these shoes, but this was just really something light. Thanks you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, subscribe if you'd like to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.